Hello, this vehicle is a Coral XL 660 SL Access from Adria. What this has got is the overhead. You've got a price of 83,000 almost, and you can put it even up to 3,650, but the empty weight is approximately, and I'm doing this now off memory, depending on the from 340 kilos, depending on the setting for its gross vehicle weight. So that would be a gross vehicle weight of 3.5 tons. Right, so for German layout, at the back, storage under here, storage on the other side, accessible also from the top. You've got the storage unit at the back. Under that you've got a light, although it could do with some kind of USB or something, so when you can charge your phone up at night. You've got windows at either side with a sort of a ledge above it as well. As I come around, we find here we've got storage in there, nice wardrobe, and more shelves in there. Here I'll come to the toilet, and large shower as well. I suppose it makes sense having the shower to beyond the toilet, so when you get the floor wet, rather you don't get the floor wet where the toilet actually is. And there's the mirror, and it's me with a hat on because it's freezing cold outside. It was -5 this morning. Kitchen starts off with a fridge, drawers below as you'd expect, 3 burners over here, and a sensible shaped sink. Drawers below that as well, as you'd expect. Up here there's the bed. The bed, as you'd always get, actually will go up and down to allow more space and more headroom for the driver and the passenger. Now this is, I think, a very nice overcab unit. Note the very big window at the top. You've got windows at either side which you can open, so it shouldn't get stuffy at all. Note also it's got heating, the heating ducts at the bottom, and here we've got a net which comes in. That net is designed to stop you falling out of bed. Another thing I really do appreciate, and I often go about this, but having wasted space up here, Adria hasn't wasted the space in this part of the overcab unit by providing these elastic bands, or elastic units or whatever they're called, to allow you to stick pillows or anything like that, which could go there. You'll see it's the same on this side as well. We've got a chair here, the point of which I've been in motorhomes now for about 12 years, I still haven't understood. And storage at the back here, you can see it goes back quite some way, so that's all quite positive. Here we have the place for the television, and there's a big skylight up there. Let's come to the back though, taking the opportunity to take our sandals out of here and walk there. Note also there's a double floor here, and it's flat until you get to the bed at the back. Down here we've got the battery compartment. Here we've got the water compartment. Table will go up and down. I suppose you could theoretically put the table down and someone can sleep down there as well, if necessary. Citroen base, I think I said that, no maybe I didn't. And let's come to the this part here. You can see enormous garage in the back here with storage compartments, cubby hole. It comes with electricity, it's heated as well, got lashing straps there for your bike, very nice. Okay, right, so good, that's the Coral XL All in 660 SL, costs 81,000 euros, and we found that interesting. I think that's a very nice looking vehicle, and it's particularly for an overcab. I would certainly give that my mark of approval, actually. Even though it's Adria, and I wouldn't say I wasn't all like I was. In general, I'm not a lot keen on Adria. I haven't been, but I think it's changed a lot, actually. So there are some brands which change, and then I sort of like them a lot more. Dreamer being one I thought was awful the first time I saw it. But now it's changed to such a way I think it's a really good ride, really good van. Anyway, that apart, thanks so much for watching. All the best for me. Bye for now.